Hello students. In today's session, I'll introduce you to the part known as genetic code. Code is a confidential coded message. This message is available on the DNA in the form of genes. In previous session, I already told you that DNA is having a functional segment called gene. The gene which is coding for a protein we call cistrons. The cistrons in prokaryotes are in the form of open reading frame, as all the specific nucleotides are coding for amino acids. Hence, the coding sequences which are given by DNA template to a messenger RNA we call exons. In eukaryotes, the cistron is having split genes. Coding sequences are exons interrupted by non-coding sequences called introns. So, during transcription, hnRNA, heterogeneous RNA, is synthesized, which undergo post-transcriptional changes like splicing, where introns are cleaved, exons are connected, followed by capping. It is the addition of methylated bases towards 5' end, and formation of a tail. It is addition of adenylated bases towards 3' end, and then protein synthesis begins. Now, what exactly the message given? From DNA to RNA, that is, a cistron is transcribed in the form of messenger RNA, which will help in synthesis of protein necessary to regulate metabolic activities in the cell. Genetic code, this word was given by George Gamow, who worked tremendously on this concept. He was the first person who tried permutation combinations of 4 nitrogenous bases present in RNA and prepared a genetic dictionary. This genetic dictionary is showing 4 nitrogenous bases which are arranged in the form of combinations, and these combinations gives a sequence of 3 nucleotides known as triplet codons. So in this genetic dictionary, he generated 64 triplet codons, out of which 61 are sensible and 3 are nonsense, means 61 codons are coding for amino acids at the time of protein synthesis, and 3 triplet codons will never specify any amino acid, hence we call nonsense. But though they are nonsense, they play a vital role in terminating the protein synthesis. First time genetic code is deciphered or cracked by Frederick Crick. He said that a specific sequence of nucleotide is coding for an amino acid, but his area of research was limited. Later, Nierenberg, H.G. Khorana, Robert Holle contributed their own research under the same heading, and a generalized features came into existence about the genetic code. This genetic code is nothing but information from DNA template of a transcription unit. The template is 3' to 5'. Coding strand of DNA is 5' to 3'. So in this cistron, a gene, promoter and the terminator, between these two, a structural region is flanked. The structural region available as complementary form on template strand is transcribed in the form of RNA molecule. Now this RNA carrying the message from DNA template to polymerize amino acids into protein we call messenger RNA. This messenger RNA is immediately undergo translation after transcription in eukaryotes. In prokaryotes, the hnRNA, it is non-functional, generated after transcription, which undergoes splicing, capping, tailing, and then it undergoes translation, and then protein synthesis is continued. It may be any prokaryotic or eukaryotic cell. The universal fact is a coded triplet nucleotide sequence transcribed from DNA template to messenger RNA replacing thymine by uracil is known as genetic code. This genetic code studied by George Gamow, Crick, Nierenberg, H.G. Khorana, Robert Holley, and they specified the features of genetic code, which is a compulsory question for 5 marks. The first feature of genetic code that it is in the form of triplets. Triplet is a combination of 3 nucleotides which are generated in this dictionary by permutation combinations of nitrogenous bases available in RNA molecule. On this mRNA, the triplets arranged continuously without any punctuation or without any gap. Hence, it is said to be commaless. When you take 2 triplets side by side available on messenger RNA, they never share common nitrogen base. Hence, we call non-overlapping. They never show any folding. The triplet a combination of 3 nucleotide and coding amino acid remains same in all the organisms. So it proves that at the molecular level we all are same. This feature is called universality of genetic code. The triplet is coding for a specific amino acid exception, 3 nonsense codons. This feature is called sensibility or unambiguous nature of genetic code. Sometimes single amino acid is coded by more than 2 triplets. This property of genetic code is said to be degeneracy, redundancy or ambiguity. When translation starts, it is always from 5' to 3' end of messenger RNA. This feature we call polarity. You take any mRNA from any organism, from any cell, the protein synthesis begins with the initiator codon AUG, which is coding for amino acid methionine, and the triplet codons, which will not specifying any amino acid, terminating the process. They are either UAA or UAG or UGA. Any one, when it comes on a specific site of ribosome, there is no tRNA bringing amino acid, and thus a synthesis of polypeptide or protein gets terminated. The features of genetic code you need to remember and write as it is. This is a compulsory question for 5 marks. Coming to the genetic dictionary prepared by number of scientists. They also proved synthesis of messenger RNA in vitro situation. They also synthesized polypeptides using sequence of mRNA in vitro condition. So after learning varieties of methods, a possible genetic dictionary is made. While preparing this genetic dictionary, towards right hand side, they arrange nitrogenous bases UCAG. On the top, same sequence UCAG, uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine, and towards right hand side, in each column, in each specific area, 4 nitrogen bases are arranged. Now, when this genetic dictionary is made, see the first block. First nitrogen base U, second nitrogen base U, and from this first nitrogen base is taken. So the first triplet here is UUU. Now in this block, U remains same. The last base is changing according to the arrangement of bases on the right hand side. Like that, the whole genetic dictionary is made. For example, here C is the first letter, second letter is U, and then third letter taken from this group. So each block consists of 4 triplets. Total 16 blocks are there in this dictionary, coding for 20 amino acids. So out of 64 triplets, 61 are sensible and 3 are nonsense. You need to write this genetic dictionary and you should mark the terminator or nonsense codons in this dictionary. I will not tell today. Right? Learn this properly and then I will revise again in the next session before I begin with the part translation. With this, I will conclude today's session. Thank you very much.